Seafood fried rice with shrimp, squid and eggs is not only a familiar dish, but also a culinary work of art combining the fresh taste of the ocean and the sophistication in each grain of golden fried rice. Every time I make this dish, I always think of the afternoons with friends, enjoying delicious food and sharing happy stories. The image of fresh shrimp, crispy and sweet squid, ripe mango mixed with the aroma of fried rice mixed with egg yolk makes anyone exclaim. At those times, I feel the closeness and warmth of friendship and love of food. Seafood fried rice with shrimp, squid and eggs is not only a dish, but also a wonderful bridge connecting us together, creating unforgettable moments. Today, I want to share this recipe with you, so that every time we remember those happy days, we can easily recreate them by cooking together and enjoying them.
Prepare ingredients: 150 grams of peeled fresh shrimp, 150 grams of squid, all washed with diluted salt water and lemon, drained, then cut shrimp and squid into bite-sized pieces. 150 grams of young peas, 1 ripe mango, all washed. Cut peas into small pieces, peel mango and cut into bite-sized pieces, 2 green onions cut into pieces, 4 minced garlic cloves. 2 chicken eggs, take the yolks and mix with cooked white rice. Olive oil, fish sauce, black pepper, pink salt, brown sugar and other spices according to family taste.
Stir-fry seafood. Heat cooking oil in a pan, add minced garlic and sauté until fragrant. Add shrimp and squid one by one, stir-fry quickly over high heat, season with a little salt and pepper. When shrimp and squid are just cooked, add young peas and stir-fry for about 1 minute. Continue adding egg whites until eggs are cooked, pour in rice mixed with egg yolks. Add a little fish sauce and brown sugar to enhance the flavor, stir-fry for about 1 minute and add ripe mango and mix well. Finally, add chopped green onions and turn off the stove.
Enjoy. Scoop the fried rice with seafood, shrimp, squid and eggs onto a plate, garnish with some herbs, sprinkle a little pepper on top to enhance the flavor. Enjoy while it's still hot to fully appreciate the wonderful flavor of the dish. So we have completed the fried rice with seafood, shrimp, squid and eggs. This is a dish that is not only delicious but also very nutritious, providing enough protein from shrimp and squid, along with vitamins and minerals from vegetables. Hopefully you will feel the excitement and joy when preparing and enjoying this dish with your family and friends. Each grain of rice, each piece of shrimp, each piece of squid contains your love and passion for cuisine. See you again in the next cooking session. Let's explore more new dishes, share stories and continue to create memorable moments. Thank you for spending time with me in the kitchen today. I wish you always have delicious meals and happy moments with your loved ones.